Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desti Fatmawati from the 3rd semester English Education Study Program. Here I will analyze the story on the next page. Page 3. There is a picture of Mr. Enfield showing the door to Mr. John Utterson. Page 4. The man who stepped on the chill was quite calm and did not run away. The 10 people around the grill joined the doctor. Mr. Enfield felt hatred towards the man he was holding as well as the Chill family. Mr. Enfield thought he wanted to kill him too. Then the doctor started as if they knew what was in mind Mr. Enfield, and they took the woman away from him. We told him to give £100 to his son a family. Then he got the money to the ugly place with the door. He came out with £10 of money and a check for the rest. The signature of the check was the name of the famous man. Main idea paragraph 1. The man who stopped on the chill was quite calm and did try to run away, and the grill was hurt too much, just really scared. Paragraph 2. The doctor knows what's on Mr. Enfield, man. They can kill the man, but they will give him as much trouble as possible. Paragraph 3. All the time they keep women away because they are wild and dangerous, because their surroundings were dangerous. They ended up giving £100 to the crowd. Paragraph 4. After they paid, they opened the ugly door and went inside. After that, they came out with £10 and a check with a famous person's signature. Page 5. Mr. Enfield thought it was for it the morning and came out of that door crying £100, and he smiled, saying not to worry and would stay until the bank opened, and the man went home and waited until morning. Mr. Utterson was shocked, and Mr. Enfield agreed that no one would like the man, but other men who admired him. His name is Mr. Hyde, said Mr. Enfield. Then Mr. Utterson and Mr. Enfield were talking about someone in the house in the square and what his house was like. Then no one used the door. He put in man's television that he had thought. Paragraph 1. Walking out that door and crying a check for nearly £100 is not usually Mr. Enfield. The boy's father and the boy went to Mr. Enfield's house and waited for the morning until the bank opened. Paragraph 2. Mr. Utterson was shocked to hear Mr. Enfield's story. No one likes the guy who stepped on the grill, but the guy who signed the check the other way around, the guy was very nice. Paragraph 3. Mr. Enfield and Mr. Utterson don't remember the name of the square, but the house tree don't look like houses because they are always closed. Page 6. Mr. Utterson walked in silence and thought he already knew the name of the person checking the check. Then that evening Mr. Utterson went to his office to open a safe and an envelope containing a will in Dr. Jekyll's writing. lawyers don't like whilst his dislike was strong when Hyde was just a last name he went to Confetti Square to visit his friend, the famous Dr. Lanyon. Paragraph 1. Mr. Utterson walked silently and wondered if he was sure to use the key, but the lawyer continued and decided he already knew the name of the man who signed the check. Paragraph 2. That night, Mr. Utterson had dinner without interest. That night, he went to get a lamp and walked to his office to get a letter from Dr. Jekyll. Paragraph 3. The lawyer doesn't like it if Jekyll disappears. His property will be taken by his friends and assistants. Paragraph 4. After saying the will, Mr. Utterson put the letter back in the safe and he went out. Page 7. Mr. Utterson arrived at his friend's house. Lanyon needs to meet Mr. Utterson. They always enjoy their visit. Lawyer talking about Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Utterson, and Lanyon, two of Henry Jekyll's oldest friends. Then Lanyon talked about interested in the same scientific work than Mr. Utterson. Asked if Mr. Henry Jekyll and Lanyon had ever met a man named Hyde. Lanyon replied they never met. Then after that Mr. Utterson come home only with you with the information and he thought that he should see Mr. Hyde. Paragraph 1. Mr. Utterson arrived at his friend's house and there he was invited to dinner. His friends was very happy to meet Mr. Utterson. Paragraph 2. They always enjoy their visit. Mr. Utterson and his friends start to talk about the friendship between Mr. Lanyon and Henry Jekyll. Paragraph 3. Mr. Utterson asked if Mr. Lanyon knew a man named Hyde, but Mr. Lanyon was not familiar with that name and it made Mr. Utterson not sleep while thinking about him. Page 8. From that day on, Mr. Utterson began to watch the doors on the street of small shops when he had time. Then he heard a few quick steps towards the door. The man walked briskly around the corner. He was male and wore very simple clothes. Utterson could not see the man's face clearly. Mr. Utterson moved and touched his shoulder. Mr. Hyde, he did look the lawyer in the face, then said quite coldly, Utterson, sure Mr. Hyde had heard his name from Gown Street. Maybe Mr. Hyde would give permission to come in through the door. And Mr. Hyde asked where did Mr. Utterson know his name. Utterson asked to see Mr. Hyde. Fast after that, Mr. Hyde also gave a card with the address. So, paragraph 1. Since then, every morning Mr. Utterson looks at those doors before leaving for his office and called Nate. He heard footsteps toward the door. Paragraph 2. Mr. Utterson asked the man if he was Mr. Hyde and the man said true he is Mr. Hyde. Paragraph 3. Mr. Utterson asked Mr. Hyde to show his face and Mr. Hyde showed his face to Mr. Utterson. Page 9. There is a picture of Mr. Hyde turning and opening started at Mr. Utterson. Page 10. Mr. Utterson was surprised to be given the address and Mr. Hyde repeated the question how Mr. Utterson knew Mr. Hyde and about the horrific crime in front of Henry Jekyll's friend. Then Mr. Utterson went to the door of the house at the corner of the little shop of the old house square. Paragraph 1. Mr. Hyde asked Mr. Utterson how Mr. Utterson could recognize Mr. Hyde. Paragraph 2. Mr. Utterson stood for a while walking and slowly turned the water in his mind. There is evil in front of Mr. Jekyll. Paragraph 3. Mr. Utterson went to the corner of the square. There was an old house that was inhabited and lived by an old servant. Page 11. Mr. Utterson met with Paul and waited in a room. Mr. Utterson could forget Mr. Hyde's face. Utterson was worried and scared. Then Paul came and talked about Dr. Jekyll and Hyde to Mr. Utterson. Paragraph 1. Mr. Utterson came in and sat in the house and sat on a chair, but they always talked of Mr. Hyde. Paragraph 2. Mr. Utterson was scared and worried. He sat and talked, not knowing what to say. Mr. Utterson was very happy when the waiter said Mr. Jekyll is back. Paragraph 3. Mr. Utterson said he had never met Mr. Hyde here, but said Mr. Hyde's servant several times had come to the house and replaced Mr. Jekyll. Page 12. Mr. Hyde is free to come and go to Hyde's house, and Utterson is worried that the bad guys find out about the will. Mr. Utterson was thrilled when Dr. Jekyll threw a dinner party for 5 or 6 of his old friends. Then after the program was over, Mr. Utterson and Dr. Jekyll sat down together and discussed Mr. Utterson's concurrence about his will. Paragraph 1. Because Mr. Hyde often came to the house, it made Mr. Utterson worried. He was afraid if Hyde found out about the will. Paragraph 2. Mr. Utterson is very happy because 2 weeks later Dr. Jekyll is having a banquet. Paragraph 3. Mr. Utterson talked about the will, but Dr. Jekyll does like to talk about the will and also talk about Mr. Hyde. Maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.